I know you become a child on the beach, but for my old self, just too cold. Too windy. Unless you stay in the sun, but we're gonna cut through to there. There's a passage there. Early morning exercise to break my back. Well, you can walk all the way. Yes, seems right? This is exhausting.
That's what you want,
Yeah. Seems that there's an old
surf club. See, this is where I was heading.
so where are we here?
We're here somewhere. And here. So we're close to the end.
So we have to go backwards.
Yeah. You can go on, stay on this coast, on this, see it there? Then you keep seeing the sea, or you can cross and go on the shopping streets. Choose what you want. We can go there for a bit and then come down. Where is the West Flanders?
So now this here.
So we can either do this. This is our hotel is here. So. Street of the shops.
Yeah, we can continue here, walking. Can we walk along the...
Left, I guess, yeah. But this is maybe walking is better. Because here you have bikes and go-karts.
We are in Belgium. People drive to the right. I know. So they always have different view. Doesn't matter. Early morning, like Lamang exercise. Well, it's not morning, but at least. When was the last time you were here?
We can rent the go-kart.
When did you come here for the last time?
I don't know if I've ever been to the Panne. But when I was last at the Belgian coast, with you a few times, we stopped sometimes for lunch.
Well, in other places.
Yes, in Newport or in...
I more or less get a sense of your photography. And your no, stay there. Because your photography is you don't need that lens. See, there's some monuments there.
Yeah, you can go to.